What is up, iWowWee world? Patrick Morrison here, and I am standing outside of Mike Nolan's office where they are testing out the new revision for the iWowWee Broadcaster app. This thing is going to be incredible. Just a little hint, you can now host a broadcast right from your tablet. Hey, don't take my word for it. Let's go check it out.